48083.
Should be NNA, correct?
Nissan North America. Magnifying glass. If you're gonna type it in, you may wanna, yeah, just Nissan Technical Center. You're good, it's been selected. No, that's not mandatory. Whenever we have a suit or something, you go ahead and add that. No, region should be NA for North America. Active should be true. And then what I just told you in the chat about the parent, that's gonna be the geographical location. Maybe that's not a mandatory attribute, but we have to make sure we have that selected. So you open the magnifying glass if you don't mind. And then whomever added the Capgemini locations in here, which I think was we, didn't add them in the parent. That's why it's important. As you can see in here, we have Asia Pacific, we have Chile, we have Nissan Americas, and that Nissan Americas is the way it should be for everything. So it should be geographically selected. Now that I'm seeing that, allow me to fix that later. But yeah, then you choose North America, then you go to the US. Then where exactly is Michigan? That's gonna be central. And there you go, you see Michigan in there. So the parent one you have to choose in here as far as we talk, no. That's gonna be the parent. You already have the state as Michigan, right? So what's gonna be the parent? Above Michigan, what do you have? There's gonna be central only. So you go again to the magnifying glass. And then up there, yeah, you choose central. That's gonna show you, in the little tree when it comes to database, that's always gonna be the central one. So whomever is looking for a location, from the top to the bottom, they're gonna go to the US. What region is gonna be, then you go to central, and then in the central you will be able to see Michigan and whatever state is in the central region, right?
Got it.
Okay. So if that's everything you need, then you go ahead and just select, you go to the naming convention all the way to the top, and then you just confirm visually if it's exactly the same we were typing in. So you see NNA dash on the top.
USA, Troy,
There you go.
Correct.
So if it's correct, then you can just go ahead and submit. And just confirming here, you already see it, but we missed something.
Okay.
What are you missing here, Hatif?
Read.
There you go. That's a 2708 daily drive. All right, then you're all set. Cool. Then you just go ahead and inform Valerie and Roger that it's already done, and that is it. Now, I was mentioning today in the daily standard meeting that there should be a notification for all the vendors. I'm gonna do that myself on the next week's meeting. I'm just looking for a confirmation from Kirti before I send that out. But I'm gonna just send the entire list of locations that are active, so they are fully aware on what locations we have, so we get to be on the same page before we have the objective set for 2026.
No.
Very good. Any other question? Any other?
No, man, not at the moment. I just wanted to be on the same page so that when I create a location, I'm creating it in the right way.
Sure. The only thing we were missing was just selecting the site, so you get to see the exact same view I was saying.
Sure.
Deal.
Thanks, Omar.
Sure. My pleasure.